Konnichiwa everyone, this is Nadoko from Artec, the mommy scientist, and today I would like to show you our brand new science kit called the solid water. Now with this kit, you would be able to make water you can actually hold.
Wow!
Sounds magical and exciting, right? So let's see what's in the kit. So the kit comes with a fluorescent powder, plastic dish, sodium alginate, calcium lactate, a measuring spoon, and a dropper. From home, you would need 3 bowls or anything that can hold water. Make sure one of the bowls is large enough to hold at least 800 cc of water, a spoon, and a measuring cup. Now let's make solid water. Fill one of your bowls with 1 cup of warm water and add 2 heaping spoonfuls of sodium alginate. Mix until the grains of sodium alginate are completely dissolved. Sodium alginate dissolves a lot faster in warm water. Shake it in a plastic bottle or use a blender to dissolve it even faster. Fill a second bowl with 4 cups of cold water and add 4 heaping spoonfuls of calcium lactate. Mix until the grains of the calcium lactate are completely dissolved. Use your plastic dish to scoop up the sodium alginate solution you made in step 1 and transfer it to the calcium lactate solution you made in step 2. Transfer it slowly to make sure your sodium alginate solution keeps its shape. Wait 3 minutes before removing it from the calcium lactate solution. Now dip it into a bowl of cold water and you're finished! Try adding a level spoonful of fluorescent powder to your sodium alginate solution while it's still in the plastic dish. Now transfer it to your calcium lactate solution to make solid light that glows in the dark. By adding paint and using the dropper included, you can make rainbow beads. Add the rainbow beads you made into the solid water. By adding glitter, you'll get sparkling, glittery water. See the instructions for details on how to make the decorated water balls. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in our next video. Bye!